Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to NB English Learning Channel, the place where we learn English in the easiest and most natural way. I am Noor.
And I am Eman. Hello, dear friends. We are so excited to meet you guys again.
How are you doing today, friends? We hope you are happy, healthy, and smiling.
And if you are having a difficult day, don't worry. Just relax. Take a deep breath and learn English with us like friends.
Yes, because here we don't learn boring English grammar.
We learn real English, the kind of English people actually use in daily life.
So, Iman, how are you doing today?
Honestly, Noor, I am feeling fantastic today.
Oh, wow, that sounds nice. What made your day special?
Well, today I did something really interesting.
Now I'm curious. Tell us.
Today, I spent time learning AI tools, especially Gemini AI.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Yes, I practiced speaking English with Gemini, like talking to a real friend, and honestly, it felt so helpful.
That is actually a very smart idea.
Yes, I asked questions, I practiced conversations, I even made small mistakes. But the best thing was, I did not feel shy.
That's the most important thing, because many English learners feel nervous while speaking with people.
Exactly. Sometimes they think, what if I speak wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is bad?
But AI practice can help people become more confident.
Yes. And friends, remember this. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You need courage to start.
Actually, this gives me an idea.
What idea?
Friends, every day you spend scrolling social media for hours, imagine spending even 15 minutes practicing English instead.
Wow. After a few months, your confidence would completely change.
Exactly. Small daily practice creates big improvement.
And today's topic is honestly one of the most confusing topics in English.
Yes, today we are talking about would, could, should.
3 small words, but huge confusion.
Many students stop speaking because of these words.
They think, should I say would? Could sounds polite. When do I use should?
But today, we will make everything simple. No difficult grammar, only real conversations and real examples.
Okay, Noor, first question. What exactly are would, could, and should?
Good question. Friends, don't be scared by grammar names. Just think of these as helper words.
Yes, these words add feeling and meaning to your sentence.
Exactly. Would equals imagination or politeness. Could equals ability or possibility. Should equals advice or right thing.
Simple and easy.
Let's start with would.
I love would because it sounds soft and polite.
Yes. When you offer something politely, use would. Examples: would you like some tea? Would you like to join us? Would you like some cake?
It sounds warm and friendly.
Exactly. If someone comes to your house, you say, would you like some coffee? Very natural.
Now let's talk about imagination.
This is beautiful. Would helps us dream. Examples: I would travel the world if I had money. I would buy a big house for my parents. I would help poor people if I became rich.
Aw.
These are imaginary situations. Not real now, but possible in dreams.
And don't forget polite answers.
Yes. Examples: I would love to come. That would be amazing. I would appreciate that.
Very natural English.
Real life conversation. Let's do a small real conversation.
Okay.
Would you like to go shopping tomorrow?
Oh, yes, I would love to.
Would you like coffee too?
That would be perfect.
Part 2. Could.
Now comes could.
This word is very useful in daily life. Could for past ability.
First use, past ability.
Examples. I could run fast when I was young.
She could sing beautifully as a child.
We could play outside for hours.
Something you were able to do in the past.
Now, possibility.
Examples.
It could rain later.
He could be at home.
This could change your life.
Maybe yes, maybe no, but possible.
This one is super important. Could is very polite.
Examples.
Could you help me?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could I ask a question?
Very useful for English learners.
Iman, you said you practiced with Gemini AI today. Can students use AI for English speaking practice?
Absolutely. Students could practice daily conversations, pronunciation, speaking confidence, vocabulary.
That sounds wonderful.
And the best part, AI never judges you.
True.
Friends, you could start with simple questions like, how was your day? What should I improve? Could you correct my English?
Wow, that's actually very helpful. See part 3. Should. Now, the most practical word? Should.
Yes, should is the advice word.
Should for advice. Examples. You should drink more water. You should practice English daily. You should sleep early.
These are suggestions and advice. Should for the right thing to do. Examples. I should call my parents. We should help others. People should be kind. Things we feel are right to do. Should for expectation. Examples. The bus should arrive soon. She should be here by now. This video should help you. Special difference. Nor, many students confuse all 3 words together.
Yes! So let's make it super easy. Simple difference. Would equals imagination or polite offer. Could equals ability or possibility. Should equals advice or right thing.
Daily life examples.
Now let's do real life examples. Restaurant.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, I would.
Could you pass the sugar, please?
Sure.
You should try this cake.
Really? Then I'll try it. Friends talking. I feel tired these days.
You should rest more.
Maybe I could take a short vacation.
That would be amazing.
Common mistakes. Now some common mistakes students make. Mistake 1. She shoulds go. Correct. She should go. Never add S after should, could, or would. Mistake 2. I would can go. Correct. I would be able to go. Mistake 3. Could you to help me? Correct. Could you help me? Motivational section. Noor, honestly, many people know grammar, but still fear speaking English. Yes, because the real problem is not grammar. The real problem is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. Fear of embarrassment. But friends, every fluent speaker once spoke broken English. Exactly. Nobody becomes perfect in one day. Even children learn slowly, step by step. Daily practice ideas. Let's give viewers some practical ideas. Idea 1. Talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes daily. Idea 2. Use AI tools like Gemini for conversation practice. Idea 3. Watch English podcasts daily. Idea 4. Repeat sentences loudly to improve pronunciation. Idea 5. Stop being afraid of mistakes. Star final review. Okay, friends, quick review. Would. Polite offers. Imagination. Dreams. Example. I would love to travel. Could. Past ability. Possibility. Polite request. Example. Could you help me?
should. Advice, right thing, expectation. Example, you should practice daily.
Dear friends, English is not only grammar. It is confidence. It's communication. Please don't stop your English journey because of fear. Keep practicing daily. Even small progress matters.
One day, you will look back and smile, because the English that once felt difficult will become natural.
And remember, you could improve. You should believe in yourself. And one day, you would speak English confidently.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, which word confuses you most? Would, could, or should? See you in the next video.
Please you in the next video.